This is a room tour at the NoMad, room 3051. This is a 1-bedroom suite. Open the door. And when you first come in, right here is your mini bar area, and the safe is in here. You have snacks that we're not going to touch because those cost like $3 million. Here are the famous chicken feet, as Kino said, to get your ice so you can be fancy like that. Put you down. Down here is the safe, and this is the paid mini bar, but I'm not touching that either. But man, they have a lot of different options. Right here is your first restroom. There is 1.5 baths in this room. Unfortunately, this is the only toilet. So if you have to go to the restroom in the middle of the night, you have to come all the way over here. So here's a mirror and picture. Full door, of course. Walk this way. There's some nice artwork right here. Really cool vibe. It feels like a studio apartment sort of thing. There's this wall screen. Over here is a big screen TV, your remote, phone, little eating area right here with seating for 2. This is the view outside of the living room area of the pool area. Nice couch. I'd like to take this couch home. That would be great. And this cute rug. It really feels like a home. Some more artwork, and the air conditioning controls are right there. Now there's some lovely double doors. I feel like this should be some sort of dramatic moment of opening the doors right now. Have a nice little lounge chair over here, or maybe a viewing area. Some more windows. Over here you have your charging ports and plugs, lamp, phone on this cute little table. Very, very, very nice bed. More artwork, of course. Over here is a clock that looks like an old school clock, but it's actually Bluetooth speaker for your smartphone. Little table with your towel, and this is the best part of this room. This lovely bathtub that I will be taking a nice little bath in, or swimming or whatever tonight. That is the most amazing thing. I am super happy for that. Over here is another big screen TV. And you have storage right here, drawers if you would like to unpack or anything like that. Nice little rug over here. It makes it very charming. You have your closet right here. And I love this. There are towels and slippers, and there's not an ironing board. There is a steamer. And look at little padded hangers. Very fancy, fancy. And this is the main restroom. You have a nice vanity area to get ready, do your makeup. Some more artwork. Sink area, good size, with really nice, look at these cups. Not plastic, you get real cups here. And complimentary water, I appreciate that. Down here is hairdryer, extra towels, toilet paper, and extra bath towels. And this is the shower. It's quite big. Very nice shower head up there. Just awesome. I did get this gifted to me as a comp, and I'm very appreciative. So this is a room tour at the NoMad 1-bedroom king suite. If you like it, please thumbs it up and subscribe. Until next time.